Hi everyone, my name is Lena, and today I am going to be doing a very fun video. I had a lot of fun making this video and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. So basically, today's video is what the title says. I'm going to be recreating my childhood Halloween costume by making it more adult, sexifying it, and you know, just doing something like that. That's what we're going to be doing basically. I have some iconic Halloween costumes and I don't know, I love them. I think my mom did an amazing job. She used to make all my costumes when I was a kid. Basically, I looked through my album of Halloween my memoir of Halloween as a child. The pictures that I always love to share are the ones when I was Jessie for Halloween. There is me, a little brown girl as Jessie. Literally so iconic. How cute am I? I don't know, we could go back in time. But she did awesome. I love that costume so much. Hello. So now you guys see my costume that I'm going to be recreating. Let's talk about it. This girl's the one that's making all the noise in the background, so you guys can be blaming her for all that unnecessariness. So basically the first thing I did was I got a pair of bell bottoms and I basically traced them onto my fabric. The fabric I got was from Joann's, and then I cut it with giving me a half. I left like a ½ inch seam allowance. I should have made it a little bigger because I didn't go as wide as I should have. But it worked out, so it's fine. After that, I basically did the same thing on the rest of the fabric. But one mistake that I was about to make, but I caught myself like right before I was about to do that, is I was literally gonna do the exact same left leg trace or cut out on the other side, and I was supposed to do my right leg. So what you're supposed to do is mirror it, not just like do the exact copy of one side of the chap. I hemmed the chap parts. I don't know how to explain this, but basically I hemmed the pants. I didn't hem the bottom of it, but just like the exposed areas, that's what I hemmed. And then after that I made my belt, and my belt I made 3x3 and it was perfect size. It went like uniformly with the pant. About 2 days, no, not 2 days, but it's been a day since I did the glitter thing to the pants, and I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, it's a costume, so I kind of don't really care that much about aesthetics. I mean, I do, but it's a costume. I'm not gonna wear it like every day. So this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. I also added glitter to the belt part. It looks good, and all I used was the tacky glue and some Martha Stewart black glitter. Luckily my mom is like the DIY queen and she has a whole case of like all this craft supply, so I didn't have to buy any of that. Now what I have to do is make a top and a bottom for this costume, but this is the cowboy hat I found. And so it's going to be black, white, and pink. So I'm having a lot of fun making this. I also forgot to show you guys that I got this fringe, which is not flowing as nice as I would like it, but this is like the only like black fringe I found at the craft store near me. So I needed to make booty shorts. The original plan that I had seen, I was just looking at pictures on Pinterest and stuff, and I just was like, okay, I'll probably just wear a bikini because it's gonna be like easy. But I just didn't like the idea of wearing, like, exposing so much, you know, like just being like half naked. So I opted for making booty shorts, and I'm really happy that I did because it's just way more comfortable that way. Took some old biker shorts that I never wear, and I cut them and I hemmed them, and they were good to go, and they were literally came out perfectly. So then that left me with my top, and I was going to just do a tube top and the shorts and then the chaps, but it just wasn't looking Jessie enough for me. Like, I was like, no, I don't want to do this, and I have the pink cowboy hat. Like, I was not super pumped about it. Like, I was just like, this just looks like I know I put a lot of effort into this, but it just doesn't really look like I did if I just wear this. With my interpretation, or my final look, I guess you could say, even though it's not my final look. I knew it wasn't my final look. The one I showed you guys yesterday, which was the tube top and the booty shorts, and I was just like, I'm trying to recreate, you know, my costume from when I was a kid, and I was like, might as well just try to make it look like Jessie in some type of way, because I was just gonna do the cowboy thing, and I was just kind of like, oh, I think I could do more. So I took that shirt and I transformed it into this. I'm hiding some stuff with this collar. As I told you guys, it's a costume. It's all about aesthetics. So whatever the eye can see, that's all I'm really worried about. So yeah, but I think I'm pretty satisfied with how this came out. I might do like yellow on the collar. I'm not sure yet, but you guys will see that. This is the last of the pink hat. It was so cute, but I don't need a pink hat. I need a red hat, so that's what we're gonna do. For you guys to see the final look, and I hope you guys like it. I'm not really good at tutorials, so if you guys have any questions, just leave them down below and I will help you out. Guys, whoa, I am so tired, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that and maybe try to recreate this. This costume is literally so freaking cute, and I can't believe I made it. Like, I'm really proud of it. And you know, it's not exactly Jessie, and that's okay with me because I honestly did not want to ruin her reputation, you know, and like just be like straight up Jessie. So I feel like this type of costume would be great for like a Halloween party, and people probably really like know what this is. I did add last minute a little star that was kind of crappy with Andy, but I would probably do that a little cuter, but I just felt like it was missing like a little hint of yellow. I was going to do the collar yellow, but I just really liked how this came out and I didn't want to ruin it because, I don't know, maybe I want to wear it for another costume or something. So yeah, but I really love the way this costume came out, and it was so much fun to make, and I'm just very happy with the final outcome. I wore my Steve Madden platforms, which I've had forever, and literally I only wear these shoes like for costumes. So yeah, I mean, they come in handy every now and then. But yeah, I really love this costume. I can't wait to do more. They're just it's just so cute. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it, and I just am putting a lot of a lot of love into this video, and I just hope you guys can feel it. Like, this has been the most rewarding video I've ever made. Honestly, like, just having like this, I need this. It's just so satisfying, and I feel like more people should be making their own clothes because you just don't understand, you know? You gotta just make it and you'll understand. Just like the reward, the satisfaction of like, yeah, I made this. I put love, time into this, and I love it. This costume took me probably like 2 days to make, and yeah, it's very easy and very rewarding. I mean, you get this cute ass costume, so very cute. I love it. I hope you guys love it, and I just don't want to get out of this costume. I might go to a pumpkin patch right now, but that might be a little bit too extreme. I don't know, maybe too out of my comfort zone to go like this, and I think it's closed by now anyways. But I mean, I would be down if Christian wants to take me, then I would definitely go. But I don't want to get out of this costume. It's just so cute, and I can't wait to wear it again. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said again, I'll say it again. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, like it please, and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment of what you guys are gonna be for Halloween this year. Or no, you know what, leave me a comment of one of your guys' most iconic Halloween costumes from when you guys were a kid, and hopefully you guys recreate your guys' costume. That'd be so dope. I'm just really excited for Halloween more now that I actually have a legit costume. I literally never have costumes for Halloween. I always throw something last minute and it looks horrible, but I think this is gonna be it, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, you know, drill, and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, howdy ho, bye. Happy Halloween season, happy season. Bye.